Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Before you change Secure Boot, back up important files, and suspend BitLocker encryption. This prevents startup problems and data loss. Shut down the Dell completely and wait 5 seconds. Press the power button and immediately press F2 repeatedly to enter BIOS setup. If the system does not respond, hold the power button for 5 seconds to force shutdown and try again. Keep a note of any BIOS passwords before you proceed to configuration changes and disabling Secure Boot. In BIOS, use the arrow keys to navigate to boot or authentication. Find the Secure Boot configuration page and highlight the Secure Boot option. Change the Secure Boot setting from enabled to disabled. If an OS mode or boot mode option appears, change it to other OS or legacy-friendly setting. If the BIOS prompts for a supervisor password to allow changes, create one and store it securely. Confirm each change on screen before moving to the Save and Exit menu. After disabling Secure Boot, navigate to Save and Exit in the BIOS menu. Choose Save Changes and Reset, or press F10 to save and reboot immediately. Allow the system to restart and watch the post messages for errors. If you suspended BitLocker earlier, resume or decrypt it now to restore protection. Re-enter BIOS after reboot to verify Secure Boot reads disabled. If problems occur, use the BIOS default profile and repeat the steps with careful note of any BIOS prompts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.